Burnout rarely arrives overnight. It builds step by step, so it can be spotted and prevented. First comes stretched, energized but tired, with a weekend off usually enough. Next is strained. Tiredness lingers, irritability rises, sleep suffers, and recovery may need a real holiday. Then comes burnt out. Exhaustion, cynicism, reduced performance, and months of recovery. Common contributors include constant deadlines without recovery, unclear expectations, low control, poor manager support, always on email, conflict, or bullying. Start with workload. Use the Eisenhower matrix to separate urgent from important. Time block protected focus. Say no with options. I can do A by Friday or B and C next week. Which would you prefer? For recovery, protect sleep, weekends, and annual leave. Talk to your manager early, request a workload review, and use support like an employee assistance program or GP. Try this. List 3 strategies for this month: workload, recovery, support.